Goku have a great appetite and I don't think I can finish it all. So I gonna pick my favorites and create my own lunchbox. Let's start by making spring rolls. I stir-fry vegetables with Thai tree buddy plates. But don't worry if you don't have that, only garlic works just fine too. At first, I was thinking whether to make them in the Thai or Chinese style, but Dragon Ball doesn't take place on Earth. I decided to do them my own way. Then add bean vermicelli noodles that have been soaking in water for 30 minutes. You can add more water if the noodles are still firm. I season the filling twice to make sure the spring roll tastes great even without sauce. Let the filling cool completely before wrapping, otherwise the roll may break apart during frying. I wrap it like envelope and seal it by cornstarch and water mix, but any type of flour is fine. My favorite method is combining shallow frying and air frying. I fry them at medium heat until the color changes and then cook them in the air fryer. This way, I use less oil, but the rolls still get crispy as you can hear. Next menu is spicy shrimp stir fry. I marinate shrimps first, then grill them up over medium heat until they are cooked. Set them aside. For the sauce, I begin with some garlic and ginger. For the chili bean paste, you can adjust the amount based on your spice tolerance. If you are using less paste, you might need to add a little extra soy sauce to balance the flavor. Let the sauce thicken up for a couple minutes. Then toss in those grilled shrimps and get them nicely coated. To complete the meal, I quickly stir-fry some veggie with soy sauce and oyster sauce. Time to pack into a lunchbox. I also add the sweet chili sauce for the spring rolls. Surely, rice had to go to separate box.